is Victor. We are on the Gold Coast Chinese Christian Church. I'm the pastor here. Renewable energy, I think, is a good way to fulfill our obligation to take good care of the world created by God.
My name is Billy, and I'm the owner and the founder of EverySolar. This system is actually is a 8.8 kilowatt panels with a 10 kilowatt FIMER PVS system.
FIMER's teamed up with EverySolar today to offer this PVS-10 for a great community initiative. The PVS-10 is a great unit. It's a European-made inverter out of our Italian factory. It comes with 2 trackers, fan-free and high performance. It comes with a 10-year warranty. We're the first European manufacturer to bring a 10-year warranty to commercial inverters. The monitoring system is fantastic, and it allows the church to see the savings that they've got from their solar system and what they're going to be saving on electricity going forward.
This can actually help this church to save around $600 to $800 per quarter.
Solar power can help us save some more money, and we can use it in another way to bless the people on the Gold Coast.
We are donating this system just because they are no non-profit organization, and we love to do that because they are trying to help the community, and we want to be involving to help the community as well. We decide to work with FIMER is because they are friendly, they're responsive, and they also want to join us to help the community.
I love working for an organisation that we can come down and support installers like EverySolar and get involved in these projects, and we look to do more of these projects when they come along.